Hey guys, hope you guys enjoy this Easter makeup tutorial I came up with. Enjoy and have some fun. First, I'm gonna just moisturize my lips with the Milani Keep It Smooth Lip Treatment. And I'm gonna spray my face with the adescu facial spray, and I'm using the rose water one. And then I'm gonna prime my eyes with the new e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. This stuff is bomb, you guys. You guys have to try it, it's only like $5. And now I'm gonna start with the Wet n Wild eye palette in thrift store Chic. Now this is really old, you guys, like a couple years back. This was a limited edition and it was during like springtime, so just use whatever pastel pink you guys have. Just look through your stuff and use that for your transitioning crease shadow. Then I'm going in with MAC's single shadow in the color So Jaded, and it's a really pretty like pearly shimmery pink, and I'm using that for all over my eyelid. Then I'm going in with MAC's eye pigment in Kitschmas. I don't know how do you pronounce that, but I'm using that just in the middle part of my eyelid to put some more like highlighting in that area. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild liquid megaliner in this pretty like pastel pink shade, and this is again from that limited edition spring collection a couple years back. But just use whatever like pink eyeliner that you guys have, or I'm sure there's anything you can find at the drugstore now, and you can just go ahead and grab a pink color to make your liner. Then going down with that palette again, I'm just using the white one to highlight my brow bone. Then going in with the e.l.f. poreless putty primer, I'm gonna prime my face before my foundation. Then going in with the NYX Total Control Foundation in 10 Buff. And I'm just gonna dot that all over my face and blend it over with a beauty blender. Then going in with my concealers, I'm using both ColourPop No Filter in Light 10 and the e.l.f. in Light Peach. And the e.l.f. is the 16-hour camo matte concealer. Then I'm going to set that with the Ben Nye setting powder in Banana. And going in with Bareminerals Blemish Remedy Powder in Porcelain 01. Yeah. Then going in with another Wet n Wild palette in Embrace Obscurity. This one's another one from that limited edition spring a couple years back. I'm sorry guys, but there's a lot of colors out now, so you can just go ahead and grab whatever you have. Or like I said, go to a drugstore and find some similar colors every brand has now. And I'm just using that blue to buff it out under my lash line, the bottom lash line. Now going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara in black. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my bottom and top lashes. And I'm not gonna put any falsies for this, guys, but you guys totally can. Sometimes I just like to go with my natural lashes. Then going in with my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the color Brunette, I'm just going to fill in my brows and brush them out. And here I'm just putting my powder brush over my brows just to kind of dim them down from the darkness. And then using a NARS Virtual Domination Cheek Palette. This is pretty old, you guys, but I'm sure all these things in this palette are sold separately. Laguna is for sure sold separately, and I'm using that to contour and bronze my cheeks, forehead, nose, and the bottom lip. Then I'm going to use a blush in that NARS palette in the color Sex Fantasy. And now I'm just going to blend everything out with my powder brush, and I'm not putting any more powder, it's just whatever's left over. And then I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier highlighting in 01. And I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and Cupid's bow, as usual. Now going in with the NYX Butter Gloss in 09 Vanilla Cream Pie and Urban Decay Lip Pencil in Native. I'm just going to line my lips with that Urban Decay and fill it in as well. And then I'll go over it with the NYX Butter Gloss in the Vanilla Cream Pie shade. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Easter makeup look that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have fun this Easter, be safe, and we will get through this. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye.